So I know it's just the end of the school year, but for me, I'm already starting to think about and get organized for next September. And one of the things I do is start to get my files organized, just so that it makes that a little bit easier when I return back into the classroom in the fall. And so one thing that you can do is start to pull together the assignments that you really liked from this year, or ones that you think you might reuse and you might tweak and try again. But I just want to show you how you can do that. So in Google Classroom, I have created a classroom for myself with no students in, called Best Assignments. And what I'm going to go and do is collect some of the assignments that I have given to students over the course of the year and put them into this one Google Classroom. So if I click on the plus sign in the bottom right hand corner, there's an option to reuse a post. If I click on that, this pulls me right into the language Google Classroom. That's the last one I accessed. But if I go back in, I can see all the Google Classrooms that I have, and I have quite a few of them. But I'm going to go into Ms. Millen's grade 4 classroom, and I'm going to pull up this elevator challenge assignment, which was for our science unit. And I'm going to select reuse, and it's going to also create new copies of all attachments. So what's really nice about it is it has brought everything, including any of the links that I have included in this assignment. And then I'm just going to click assign. Now if you're really organized, you might want to rename them. So you can say, for example, that this was science. You might want to also, if you want to put them in order and label them like 1, 2, 3, 4, what's really nice about that is that in the back end of your Google Classroom folders, it's easier to find the assignments, I find, because the folder structure is alphabetical, but I'd actually prefer to find the folders based on the order of the assignments. So if you know that this is this number 2, for example, if you label it number 2, then the folders in the back end will be named the exact same title. So that's what's really nice about that as well. You just go ahead and hit assign. And basically what's happening now in your Google Classroom here is you're collecting all the assignments that you really liked throughout the course of the year and putting them into one Google Classroom so that they're easy to find for the fall.